Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Probably the number one motivator for any activity is the amount of fun you have doing it. Injecting fun into even the most thankless of tasks will help keep you productive over the long run. I bet you can think back to a time when work was new to you, exciting, and fun. It's all about how you frame activities in your mind. Let me share a quick story. A traveler nearing a great city asked a man seated by the wayside, "What are the people like in the city?" The man replied, "How are the people where you came from?" "A terrible lot," the traveler responded. "Mean, untrustworthy, detestable in all respects." "All," said the man, "you will find them the same in the city ahead." The first traveler left when another one stopped and also inquired about people in the city before him. Again, the man asked about the people in the place the traveler had left. The traveler responded, "They were a fine people, honest, industrious, and generous to a fault." "I was sorry to leave," declared the second traveler. Responded the wise one, "So you will find them in the city ahead." You can see your work as fun, and if you see it that way, you'll find a way to gamify it. You'll set challenges for yourself, invent narratives to amuse you, or set some friendly competition with your colleagues to keep everyone motivated. What you look for, you'll find. Your work can be fun again. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.